Hi my little munchkins, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Have you ever been in the situation where you just want some good salad dressing, like a mayonnaise or a aioli, and the vegan dressing in the supermarket just tastes so bad, and you look at the ingredients and it's all preservatives and you don't like that? Well, today I have a recipe I want to share with you, which is garlic mayonnaise or aioli. Of course, if you don't want it to have garlic, you don't have to add the garlic. But let's get to the recipe. The ingredients for this recipe is actually pretty simple. The hard thing to show you is probably the technique. You will need an immersion blender of sorts. And I will try my best to film the technique. So the next thing you need will be some kind of transparent looking jug so you can see what you're doing, and a scale to weigh out the amount of ingredients. For the ingredients you will need first unsweetened soy milk, oil, some kind of neutral oil. If you use olive oil, it will be greenish, but it will taste okay. And vinegar, any kind of neutral vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and 4 cloves of garlic. It is very important that you put the soy milk first because it is the denser of the liquids and it will sink to the bottom. So 260 milliliters, 260 grams of this. Add 350 grams of sunflower oil. I will leave the ingredients list in the description. Next is the apple cider vinegar. A heaping teaspoon of mustard. 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. The more salt you put, the tastier it will be, but don't overdo it. And lastly, minced garlic. If you use a lot of garlic, I recommend you get a garlic crusher so you don't have to chop that much. This is the part where I show you how to blend up the aioli. Please do not skip this part. It may be a little bit boring, but it is the most important part of the video. When you have all your ingredients in the jug, place the immersion blender all the way to the bottom and pulse slowly. This is very important, that you pulse slowly. Do not leave the immersion blender up until I will show you. When you see that it is no longer blending, lift it a little bit higher, but not all the way, maybe halfway. And continue pulsing. If you feel tempted to lift it, do not, because if you lift it, the whole thing will be destroyed and you will just get a liquidy, emulsified liquid. Be a little bit patient. At this point, it is good and it will thicken up in the fridge, so don't worry that it looks a little bit thin right off the bat. So now you can see that it's a thick mayonnaise. Total is 630 grams. Way cheaper than buying in the supermarket. The simplest thing you put this on is obviously bread. Check out my bread recipe in the description. This is wholemeal bread, if you would like to know. You can use this on your pasta, your salad, just anywhere you like white sauce, maybe even kebab. Put some tomato, some vegan ham, some salad. This would be perfect. But I'm just showing you this plain. Even plain is pretty good. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me a lot, and I hope you stay safe and stay home, and all the best to everyone who is working. And I would like to thank you for watching this video. Hope I see you next time. Bye.